Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Z-fighting in Blockbench. Z-fighting happens when two pieces of geometry occupy almost the same space, causing them to fight for rendering priority. This results in a flickering or shimmering effect. The fix is to slightly inflate one object from the other so the renderer can clearly tell which face should be drawn in front, instead of randomly switching when the camera moves. To fix this, select one of the objects and look for the Inflate tool in the toolbar. If you don't see the Inflate tool, click the three dots. Select Customize Toolbar. Search for Inflate and add it to the toolbar. Using the Inflate tool, enter a value of 0.001. This makes one object slightly larger than the other, which prevents Z-fighting. If you're working with a mesh, you can also go to the Transform panel and add 0.001 to each size value. This achieves the same result as using the Inflate tool. And that's how to stop Z-fighting in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.